Hi everyone, Liz here, thanks for stopping by. So today I have a mystery package. It's come from Amazon and it's either something that I wasn't expecting or something's different to what I've ordered. Sorry about the shadow, it is a little bit dark here today, so I have had to put my overhead light on and until I get some side lights or something eventually, then we will get a little bit of a shadow. So yeah, it came in with my other Amazon parcel that I got. So what does that say? No, it just says new, made in China. It's obviously a diamond painting. It says one piece, so I've no idea which diamond painting it is or when I ordered it. So let's have a quick look. Where's my scissors? And we'll get into this. Just give it a quick snip there. Okay, so I've not opened it. I thought, oh well, we'll all have a surprise together and see what we've got. So, oh, okay, right. So yeah, it is something that I've ordered, and it's completely not what I expected. It's huge. It's 30 by 30. Okay, let's open this packet and I'll explain a little bit further. So, as you know, it's August. Oh, let me get these out while this is crinkly, so I'm not deafening everybody with that horrible crinkle. So, as I say, as you know, I've been doing smashing the specials, and I am still doing it. And that's got a bit of crease there, goodness me. And I thought, right, I like those little tiny pictures, but I like the all over effect, but aren't an all over effect. They aren't a full drill, but they're all special drill, and they're about a 15 by 15 centimetre, or sometimes you get them a little bit bigger, and obviously they do them a lot bigger as well, because these, which I thought were little teeny tiny paintings that were going to be about this big by this big, have come as 30 by 30 canvases. And I have to say, I didn't know that they actually came this big. So wow, so that's lovely. It's got a frame around the edge that's not going to be diamond painted, but we've got this lovely panda, which I've got the tiny panda, and I think if you remember on one of my last unboxings, or when I did my smashing the specials, I showed you I actually had two versions of that panda, one with the little frame and one without. I did think for the price that these were going to come with the frames, because I thought they were the little tiny ones. I don't really use the frames, so I thought, oh well, hey ho. So that's that one. And then the other one, I think you'll have probably seen this one. It's been on the go for a while, but I just like the little penguin. And usually this is all blue. It looks like possibly it will be blue, but they've put the background as pink for some reason. So yeah, I have seen this one around. I've not seen the panda, so I do like pandas, and that's more of a realistic panda than a cartoony panda. But this one is yeah, sort of a cartoony penguin, which is quite sweet. But I didn't expect them in 30 by 30. Must try harder, Liz. Must read instructions in future, because that is huge. Goodness me. Okay, so it comes with your very standard toolkit, your starter toolkit. So you've got your pen, your boat and your wax. Enough to do it, although I have started using Pretty Places when I'm doing specials now. I do tend to find I like the smell of them, and yeah, I find that Pretty Placer crayons do pick up the gems easier. So yep, so we've got two little basic toolkits there, and we've got two packets of special gems. Wow. Okay, let's have a measure. Let's do this one first. The little penguin with his little blue eyes. He's got all snow on his head, look, and it's like an aurora borealis, northern lights in the background there. Okay, so let's measure the drill area. So the drill area is 25, which is just under 10 inches. The actual picture, if you want to use the picture frame, is, where are we? About 27, nearly 28 centimetres, nearly 11 inches. And the actual canvas is, actually the canvas is 37 centimetres. So it's completely outsizing wise altogether. The canvas is bigger than 30 by 30. Let me just measure this one because they both look about the same size. So we'll measure the drill area first. So drill area, yep, we're 25, which is just under 10. And I think they're the same this way. Yeah, exactly the same that way. And then the frame. Yeah, so it's the frame that's the 30 by 30. So actually, that is pretty good. I'm impressed with these. Let me just grab one of these. Oh, look, that's gone a bit skew with. Let me just grab one of these wooden frames. Yeah, now then, I think I will put these, when I've done them, onto these frames. I've been looking, if you remember, I did an unboxing on these and then I did an update in one of my previous videos. And what you do is you wrap these round. And obviously you cut out, it's showing you actually on here to cut it out. And you just stick it on there so that when you turn it round, that is going to be on the frame. So, oh, well, that's good then, because I've got two pictures now and I can use these two wooden frames to do them. So what I'll do, if you want to keep checking back once I've got these done, which will take me a little bit longer than the little tiny ones that I was expecting, I'll do a video of using this frame and see how we get on. What I'll have to do is take the writing off. Oh, I don't like to keep my legends though, but never mind. Oh dear, I'll just have to photocopy that. Use nail varnish remover to take that off. And then we'll just have a go at framing it using one of these frames. Okay, oh, I love it when a plan comes together. Yeah, it's even got, look, ready the square cut out that you need to cut out for in each corner for doing your framing, for stretching it over a frame. Okay, so right, what we were looking at the penguin first anyway. Now I've got the panda on top, so let's see which one is which. So we have AC 878. Excuse me, I've got a little puppy dog called Millie crying at the door to come in because Mummy's left her. Come on in then. Come on. What you doing? Oh dear. Sorry, hubby's watching telly downstairs, so I have to keep the door shut just to keep the noise down a little bit. Yeah, she's coming now. It's a hard life being a Scottie. It's a hard life being a Scottie. Okay, so yeah, that one's 878. So we'll just check the other one. And that one is AC 816. So that's that one. So let's have a look at the Panda first. I love these. I can't believe the size of them. Oh, they're brilliant. Okay, what did I pay for these? It would normally be £10.39 for the pack of 2, and I got them for £4.67 for the pack of 2. So what's that, about £2.30 each painting? Oh dear me. But I must stop. I do believe my bank manager is going to be getting in touch with me soon. I know you've got a hobby. But maybe you've got enough for now. Can you ever have enough diamond paintings? That's the question. Okay, so let's have a look at this little panda. Oh, look at his little eyes. Oh, so yeah, it's as I say, it's one of those where they're like a full coverage, but they're only well, a special. They're not all butted up together, so I think you can see we've got a pretty good drill field there. Nice clear symbols. So the panda's got a bit of a pinky and bluey face, so we'll see how he comes out. We've got 9 different gems on this one. That's the little thumbnail of the actual picture. Oops. That's the little thumbnail there of the actual picture if you were doing him as like a full drill or as the picture. But he's going to have a lot of different gems on him. Okay, so we have lots of green in 3 different sizes, all your faceted gems, which are nice. We have a plain white, it's not any coatings or anything on it. Oh, with an escapee in there, look, wanted to join the white party. We have your plain silver with a green one, wanted to join the silver party. Hey, these greens have been escaping all over, look, that one's managed to get into 2. Second packet along. We've got like a very dark bluey colour, which is lovely. Nice sparkly gem there. Got like a sage green and like an aqua there, and then your black, which will just be your plain 3 10s. So yeah, there's no DMC numbers, but that's fine. I mean, we know we've got our black and our white there, which will be your B5 200 and your 3 10s if you're wanting to put them into your DMC, but the others are all your gems and they'll go into my gem storage. So it'd be interesting to see where these go, because it seems to be an awful lot of green with a little bit of a dark blue, and then your black and your white in your not standard resin drills. Okay, so that's the first one. And then let's have a look at penguin. So I've seen this one done a couple of times, and it is really, really sweet. But I don't think I've seen it in a 30 by 30 square with a frame on before. So, very good. Which store are these from on Amazon? Which seller are these? Let me see if I can see it anywhere. Aytop, A-Y-T-O-P. So it's Aytop on Amazon. So that's a new to me store as well. I've not seen that one before. I'm just getting into these. Seems like there's a few more. Yeah, we've got 13 on this one. And there was only 9 on the Panda. Okay. Oh, that's a big bag. That's come as a separate one. Oh dear, with no number on it. So that's going to be process of elimination then. What we're doing with those. Oh heck. Okay. Right. Oh right. Okay. So I think that is quite possibly then number 1, because it looks like number 1's torn off and possibly split open. So they've put it in a bag, and then they've not actually put any number on it. But I think we can more or less work out that that's number 1. So that was a little bit easier than I thought it was going to be. So again, you've got your 3 sizes, and what you tend to find is they're scattered about as the background. What are we? 1, 2 and 3. A little red cross, and yeah, these are all the sky, and that funny shape there, that one, and then a question mark. Ooh. Okay, what is it, question mark? Oh no, it's the up arrow, sorry. Ha, that's my eyesight again. Yeah, it's this big up arrow here. If you can see that, it's a lot smaller there than it is on there. Okay, yeah, and then we've got a huge bag of your silver. So we've got silver in 3 sizes. Oh, they're looking a little bit, I don't know, they're faceted, but they do look a bit plasticky. Usually, I know they are plastic resin sort of drills or acrylic drills, but anyway, we'll see what they look like when they get on. Then we've got your black, and we've got like your, it's more of a, it's a black shiny drill, but they always look a bit sort of smoky grey to me. And then we've got a browny colour there, and then a very, very pale blue colour there. Okay, oh, we've got another 3 there. Look for your highlights. So we've got a very, very dark red, like a claret red. and an orangey gold, and then like a cherry red at the end. So yeah, okay, let's get some little packets and labels to put these in. I've just found 2 lots of drills in a box that I wasn't quite sure that I had, and I have no idea what they belong to. So it's going to be process of elimination, finding out what they belong to, which isn't good because I am trying to be organised. So we've got a penguin. Oh, didn't cut that very straight, Liz. 30 by 30, and it's a top, and it was £2.30, and it's a special. I think this pen's a bit thick really for using for writing, but it's just the first one I've picked up. So Aytop, £2.30, and we might as well do Panda while we're here. And 30 by 30 special Aytop, and it's £2.30. Don't worry if you can't read my writing, most of the time I can't either. But it's enough to get me organised, to know what I'm doing. And if they've both got the same label on, then I can compare the Egyptian hieroglyphics, can't I? And see which one it belongs to. If it looks like a similar scroll on one side, it'll be the same on the other. Oh dear. Right, so let's get these cut off, and then I'll get a couple of little bags to put them in. So I'm going to try and get these done. My aim for August, seeing as there's 31 days, is to do 31 projects. They won't all be canvases. I think I've done 3 or 4 canvases so far this month, and I've done about 6. I think I've done about 8 little projects. One of them is a notebook. So if you want to join me on Facebook or Instagram, I'm posting my pictures every day of what I've done, so you can catch up there on those if you're wanting to see. Now I've just done Panda, and they're not Panda, they're penguin. Ah! Oh dear. Get them in the right bags, Liz, and on the right ones. Oh gosh. I tell you, if I had a brain I'd be dangerous. Do that one there. Oh, I've got a drinking hot water bottle on my feet called Millie. So that's Panda. And then we put one on the canvas as well, so we know. This will just need a bit flattening out, but yeah, I'm really pleased that these are going to fit. I've been wondering what I was going to use those frames for, and now I know. Eee, I love it. Okay, so that one's penguin. And oh, I might as well use the sticky lines. Oh, that was a bit loud, sorry. Penguin. Okay, so I'll put those in my specials box, ready for smashing the specials. Pop those out of the way over there. Okay, so we have a penguin and a panda. I absolutely love these. I just can't believe the size of them. They're brilliant. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, if you just give me a quick like, and if you want to come back and see what I get up to next, possibly see these get done, and definitely come back for when I attempt to put them around a wooden frame, something I've not done before. So it could be disastrous, or it could be really, really good. Okay, well, thanks for stopping by. Hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.